In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for marketing. Asana is a powerful project management tool that's incredibly versatile, and it offers a range of templates specifically designed for marketing purposes. Whether you're planning a campaign, organizing tasks, or tracking progress, Asana's templates can make your marketing operations much smoother and more efficient. First, let's talk about where to find these amazing tools. Asana provides a list of templates that are geared towards various marketing needs. These templates are structured to help you streamline your projects right from the start, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks and every task has its place. To begin creating a marketing project using these templates, you'll want to start by clicking on the Create button. You can find this conveniently located at the top left corner of the Asana interface. Once you've clicked on Create, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Project. This will guide you into the project creation interface. Now, here's where things get really interesting. When you're in the project creation window, look for the option labeled Use a Template. Selecting this will open up a world of possibilities tailored for your marketing activities. In the next step, navigate to the Marketing tab within the Templates section. This area is specifically curated with a wide array of templates designed for various marketing purposes. Whether you're launching a new product, managing a digital marketing campaign, or coordinating a public relations effort, there's likely a template suited to your needs. These templates are pre-structured, saving you time and helping establish a clear framework for your project. Once you find a template that fits your marketing goal, simply click on it. This will give you an overview of what to expect in the template. If it looks perfect for your needs, go ahead and click on Use Template. This action will allow you to begin personalizing the project with your specific objectives and information. At this point, you'll be prompted to add a project name. This will help keep your workspace organized and easily accessible. Choose something descriptive that reflects the campaign or activity you're managing. Additionally, Asana allows you to select different project tab views. This means you can customize how information is presented, whether you prefer a list, board, timeline, or calendar view, depending on what best suits your workflow and team preferences. And just like that, you've successfully created a marketing project using Asana's templates. With everything set up, you're now poised to tackle your marketing goals more efficiently, with a robust system to manage tasks and track progress. Asana's dynamic platform helps ensure that all team members are on the same page, making collaboration smooth and hassle-free. Happy project management, and here's to the success of your marketing endeavors.